Hey guys, it's Jen here from Nails by Jen. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I have a little DIY for you guys. So in my latest room organization, drawer organization video, I showed you guys my liquid bottles that I put some cute labels on. And today I'm going to show you how I made those labels. So if this is something that you're interested in, stick around, keep watching. As always, don't forget to click the like and subscribe for me. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below and let's get started. So today I'm going to show you how I made these cute labels for my liquid bottles. So I have this cute Lazy Susan that I got off of Amazon. When I reorganized my whole room, I purchased this Lazy Susan. I already had 2 of the bottles. I purchased 2 more from Amazon and I made these cute little labels. So I have one for acetone, alcohol, prep, and I am actually planning to make one for this empty bottle here. I'm going to custom make my own wipe solution and I'm going to put a wipe label on that one. So the first thing you need to do is go into your laptop or your computer and create your labels. I use the font called Brush Script M, and the size that I used is number 72, and I found that that fit perfect. You could make them larger, smaller, whatever you prefer, but I felt that that fit perfect on the bottles that I was using. And then I saved the document to a USB and took it to my local print shop. I took it to Staples. It cost me 12 cents a print because you want to print it on a laser printer. If you print it on a regular inkjet printer, the label will be a lot lighter. The color will not be as vibrant and will not stand out as much. So make sure you print it on a laser printer. So once you have your pages printed out, you simply want to go through and cut all the letters or the words out. For today's video, I am just going to be showing you the one because I have one empty bottle that I can show it to you on. So I mentioned these bottles in my July's top 5 favorites video, and I absolutely love them for all of my liquids, like my prep solution, my acetone, my alcohol, and like I said, I am planning to actually turn this one into a wipe bottle. They are really awesome, so if you're interested in seeing why I like them, or finding out a little bit more information on them, go check out that video as well. And so we're going to get into, so the first thing you want to do is make sure that you take some type of alcohol, or just even if you want to wash them with a dish soap. So I'm just going to grab my alcohol, squirt it out here on the pad. And you just want to give the bottle a little wipe just to make sure that it's clear of any kind of debris or oils from touching it, just so that the tape sticks really, really well, and you want to let it dry. Very good. So I'm going to set that aside. So then you want to take some clear packing tape and you want to place it over the word, and you want to make sure that it goes on smoothly. And I'm just going to cut off the excess here. And then you want to take some type of a credit card, or I just have one of my stamping cards here, and you want to rub that paper or that tape really well so that it transfers the wording onto the tape. So you just want to really, really rub it, make sure everything wherever the wording is. You don't have to worry about the surrounding area so much. It's just you want to make sure that that wording is transferring onto the tape. So that's good. Then you can just remove it from your table. So then what I like to do is I will just go in and cut the tape a little bit. To need a bowl of water. It doesn't matter, just room temperature water straight from the tap. And you're going to soak this for about a minute or 2. So now after about a minute or 2, you can start actually rubbing the paper off the back. See how it just kind of started to peel a little bit there? It'll actually peel away. And you just have to make sure you rub all of the paper off. So then you can see there's no paper left. So when you run your fingers along the back, you will feel a little bit of the ink, but you shouldn't feel any bumps or anything like that in regards to just any of the paper on there. So now the next step is to just grab a paper towel, turn it upside down. So what I like to do is just kind of tap it on the sticky side onto the paper towel just to remove any excess water, and then I flip it upside down so that the sticky side is facing up, and you just have to let it dry. So once it dries, it will actually become sticky all over again. Okay, so now that the tape has completely dried, it is back to being its sticky self. Now I did notice that over here I missed a little bit of paper, and you can see here there are little areas that I didn't really get the paper off perfectly, but I'm just going to snip that part off right there just so that I can get on with the video for you guys and show you how it looks. But you do want to make sure you get all of that paper off. Just be a little diligent to rubbing it all off. But then you just simply take it and find the area that you want on your bottle or whatever you're placing it on. You can use this on canisters in your kitchen and different little things that you store. You know, in our cabinets we have macaroni and pastas and all kinds of grains and things like that. You can create labels for those with this idea as well. So there you go, and then you just have to rub it on. Make sure it's on there really well, and you have a little label. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed this little DIY project. I definitely think it's pretty awesome. I did not want to spend a bunch of money on custom made labels, so this was super cheap. I think in total it would have cost me like 25 cents or something like that. So definitely a really cheap project, and again, like I mentioned earlier, you can actually create these labels and use them in your pantry. So if anybody else has used this technique, please let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to share this video with someone else if you think they might like it. And as always guys, have an amazing day.